Hey guys, Tonio Gaming here, and today I'm going to show you, the person watching this video, how to download the joystick hack for Pokemon Go. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to, what the joystick hack is. If not, you can walk without walking. So what you want to do is go into Safari. This only works for iPhone. Go into Safari and type in tutuapp.com. And it'll come up as tutuapp.vip. As you can see, it says Android. If you click on Android, there's no regular version. So you can only use the iOS version. What you want to do is click on regular and click download now. I already have it downloaded for the sake of the video. And this is what it'll look like. It'll take a while to download. Click on it. It'll ask a bunch of stuff. And then you'll find, if you go to the home, scroll down from this, you'll see Pokemon Hack. It doesn't matter what version it is, it'll always ask you to update if you need to. So, and then while it's downloading, you have to stay in the app, which stinks, I know. And then what will happen when you're done, it'll say getting, you have to be in manager too. It'll say getting, and then if you go to manager, which you want to do, all, to be installed. So while you're getting it, it won't show up in here. But when it's done, it'll show up in all, to be installed, and not installed though. Because when it's done, it'll be done in a second. So I'm just going to tell you what happens now. So this is just like the app store, except it has different apps. And I believe, I don't know for 100% sure, but I am 99% sure that it, sorry, that all games are free. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure. So I'm pretty sure it's download now. 95. Okay. Let's wait for this to download quickly. Let's hope it downloads quickly. 5 more seconds. 3 more seconds. 5 more seconds. 1 more second. 2 more seconds. And it's done. Okay, watch. So tutuapp would like to install Pokemon Go. And then what you want to do is click install. Go to manager. And then it's installing. As you can see, there it is. It's installing right now. So let's get that going, hopefully. Yeah, it's almost done. So as you can see, this is a normal version. So now what you're going to do is go, sorry for the background noise. Sorry for the background noise, my grandma's doing work. You want to click on the new Pokemon Go that just downloaded. There'll be 2. Click on the one that just downloaded. It'll say untrusted enterprise developer. Same thing will happen for Tutu app. It'll actually come up as Tutu helper. Same thing will happen for Tutu helper. So what you want to do is go to settings, general, scroll all the way down, click device management, and find it. So this is the, that's not it, sorry. This is Tutu app. It comes up as a different thing every time. This is the Pokemon Go. If you guys were wondering what this is what I use to screen record. So it's called AirShow. So now what you want to do is click on it. Sorry for the bad explanation. To trust it, you want to go into settings, click general, scroll all the way down, device management, click it, and then it won't say delete app, it'll say trust, and then whatever it's named, and then that's what you want to do. So this is loading right now, so I'm waiting for that. There we go. Allow Pokemon Go to access your location while using the app in order to play the game. For this, you do. There are ads in this, so you just put a random one. I keep that, and then I just change this to whatever. And then I go to Pokemon Trainer Club. And then you enter your username. I'm gonna cut this part out so you can't log in as me. And we're back. So I have logged into Pokemon Go. That's the wrong version. Here's the house version. So now, whoa, it's frozen. Okay. It's not frozen anymore. I think oh, hey, I'm by our house, actually. So, I am Team Instinct, and as you can see, here is the joystick. You can move around with it. sometimes back is forward, sometimes forward is back. I don't know. The elf is so if you click on this and you click search, discover elf. You can search Pokemon, but that doesn't really work. Sorry, I'm outside now and there's a train. You can run, walk, or drive. You can, if you set a home, it'll spawn you wherever your home is. You can teleport to places if you find out their longitude and latitude. And to prove to you guys that it works, I'm gonna go fight a gym quickly because a lot of people don't do that, and then when you try out what they said, it doesn't work. So, hey, this is by your house.
Yeah, it's actually.
Yeah, it's right there. Oh, okay. So I just logged on, so it's kind of creepy. Here, watch. My bag's full. Here, catch this Caterpie. Show you guys. Oh, it's a Weedle. I'm dumb. This is me. Beep! Got him!
You got a Weedle.
Showing them that it works.
Evolve him!
I don't want to.
There's a Lapras.
No, there's Lapras in this gym. So I am Team Instinct, so I'm not going to be able to fight it, but I will just try and power it up. And you guys will actually see my team. I'm going to...
Tonyo, do you have any Pokemon in this gym?
So... Luna. Shush, Talia.
Luna!
Be quiet, Talia. I'm going to try and power this gym up, and there's a level... When you look in a gym and this is what you see. Okay. And then there's a Lapras. I can't overtake it because...
But you can add something.
I know. So wait, I want to beat it first though. So there's my team. This is my team. I got that. I got Gary the second, and then Pyro. So I evolved this guy. I named him. Oh my gosh. I named him Raynor, and he became Flareon. It was a level 700 Eevee, and I was like, why? It was gonna be like a level 1600 Vaporeon. So that's why I named him Y. And then I got Exeggutor, which I just got recently, and then that Scyther. Bum bum bum.
The time when you know where you get a Cypher.
Bum bum. Da na da da na da.
You're gonna one shot this thing.
Die, 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 die. Ba, ba, da, ba, da, da. I love this. I'm gonna be able to kill this Raptors. You better not say, okay, great. Sometimes it says error when you're fighting a gym. So if it says that, don't be surprised, just log back in, it'll be fine. Or don't log out and log in, just go back into the app. Just go back. I know.
Like when he attacks,
you have to go back into the, oh gosh, dude, this Lapras has freaking Dragon Pulse.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dragon Pulse is so weird.
Oh, this is Dragon Pulse, man, I didn't die. Twister!
What is that gonna do?
I don't know. Let's see if I can kill him with my next Gyarados. Actually.
Wait, you do?
Yeah. Well, 2 wild, 1 evolved. Oh gosh, Dragon Pulse. I hate Dragon Pulse. I wanted Dragon Pulse on my
Wait, so you can fight your own
Gyarados.
gyms?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
No, when you fight them, they level up. So.
No, because whenever I do that, I never knew you could do that.
He's dead.
I thought you can only fight enemy teams. And plus, you can put one of your Pokemon.
I know, that's what I'm gonna do. I just gotta heal up my Gary. My sister trying to do water ball flips in the background. It's hilarious. She keeps failing, so that's why you hear that noise. Now let's add a Pokemon.
Touch your Gengar.
Yeah, I should. My Gengar.
Can you still use some in gyms?
No.
Or you just stay.
He's only level 1075, so.
Hey, at least you're second in the gym.
I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna fight it again. I'm gonna put in Gary the second if I win.
Use your Flareon so you can take out the Pidgey easy.
My Gengar's in. I'm gonna fight my own Gengar. This is gonna feel weird. Guys, I'm gonna fight this gym one more time, and then we'll wrap up the video. Indeed.
In like 3 seconds.
Here's my Gengar. Oh, I'm super effective apparently.
Yeah, but apparently Gengar's psychic, right? Yeah. Psychics are weak to water.
Oh, you use Sludge Bomb.
Some of them.
He's about to die already.
Yeah, since you use Twister, he does lots of damage.
Die, Lapras, you fiend. Okay, guys. I know.
Yeah, but at least he has 3 more. I mean, 2 more.
I'm waiting for the Lapras to die.
I'm just gonna keep tapping it. Hey, he said he has 1 more after this.
It's only level 500 though, so.
And it's still okay. You're probably gonna be able to beat this thing.
It is going down.
Plus, you could pretty much just use your Flareon. Also.
My Flareon is
Dragon Pulse!
Flareon would be super weak against Lapras.
I know, but at least you would do like a couple inches of damage.
Not even. I probably switched to Scyther. Or actually I put Gengar. Let's do Gengar. Dude, this Gengar. Watch this.
You just slap him. Like literally just slapping him.
Ooh. I won. Oh, I have to get up 1 more level. Until I can add 1 more. Yeah, I got a level up.
Just beat the Pidgey again.
Oh, there's nothing good nearby. Pokemons. Okay, yeah.
I thought you said you were going to be at 1 more time and then end it.
Yeah.
Alright,
guys. See you later. I'm sorry, this was a long video. See you guys later. And thanks for watching.